Today we are tackling debugging and profiling in async Python, from diagnosing loop bottleneck to building custom logging engines. Let's dive straight in. Enable asyncio native diagnostic engine to instantly detect unweighted tasks or blocking operations. Look at the code. Excuse me. Imagine a subtle blocking call or heavy CPU loop here. Step 1, grab the active event loop. And step 2, enable event loop debug mode. And async.run main. Let's run and print. Okay. I create another file, app2. Okay. Performance benchmarking. Measure real-world efficiency by comparing actual runtime against cumulative task delays. Look at the code. And import random. Batch process 5 concurrent fetch task. Excuse me. Excuse me. And asyncio.run benchmark suite. Okay, let's run. Excuse me. Let's run. Okay, run it. Live debugging with breakpoints. Inspect coroutine state directly during execution using Python built-in breakpoint. Like this. Excuse me. Execution pause here and drops you into PDB inside the async context. Okay. I create another file and app3.py. Custom class-based logger. Encapsulate logging logic into a reusable class to avoid duplicate handlers and maintain standard log formats. Look at the code. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. Excuse me. Like this. And guard against adding redundant handlers if initialized multiple times. Another function. Okay. Excuse me. And here. Okay. Usage example. Okay. Let's run. Excuse me. Let's run and print it. Like, subscribe, and drop any question in the comments below. See you in the next video.